What's up, guys? It's me, Anthony from Accessible Stationery, and welcome back to my channel. And woo boy, does it feel so good to say that I took a 2-month hiatus from social media, point blank period. It was very unplanned. I'm going to tell you that I was not planning to take this long of a break. A lot of things went down during the break, which I'm glad I took it, because trying to keep up with social media and what's been going on in my personal life would be a lot. So first things first, I'm going to say welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, become a part of the stationery fam, subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, go follow me on Instagram at Accessible Stationery, you know what I'm saying? All the plugs, check out the shop. Speaking of shop, there's a lot of fun things coming in the year of 2021. I can't believe I just said the month of 2021. But a lot of things are planned, and hopefully they'll get executed. If Miss Rona will learn how to leave the U.S. or just leave, period. I think everyone's over this Miss Rona thing. So if she just leaves, we'll be good to go. Okay. So, but I'm gonna talk about why I've been gone for a little while, and also talk about what's coming up for the channel and for Accessible Stationery and for Anthony as a person. And I do consider Accessible Stationery and Anthony the same person, but to keep you guys, easier to keep track of, Accessible Stationery's business and Anthony's personal. So, due to the fact that my grades were slipping, and as you guys probably watched, and my mom does my voiceover video, school is number one priority, and so my parents felt like I needed more time to focus on school, so they started kind of do social media, which is practically most of the reason why I stopped doing social media. And then some other personal reasons that stopped me from doing social media, besides them telling me not to do it. My grandfather passed away, and then in the same week my principal passed away, but not in that order. And then we took a three-week trip to my hometown, had Thanksgiving in my hometown. A lot of things and a lot of plans changed, and I think that's what 2020 has taught me, that to expect the unexpected, because you never know what could happen in the next minute, next 10 minutes, just expect the unexpected. So right now I'm writing a quote that says, "I believe in you, Saint Nick," because honestly I do believe him right now. It's Christmas time. But this is also from the Oh Santa remix with Jennifer Hudson and Ariana Grande. Some of my favorite icons are in that song. And I love the Mariah Carey Christmas special. Really, definitely definitely recommend it. Go check it out. It's on Apple TV, and soundtrack is actually everywhere now, so that's pretty cool. So you guys don't have to have Apple TV to at least listen to the soundtrack. But the freaking cinematics and all that good stuff is amazing. The editing, I love it so much. So right now I'm running in my daily boxes, which is going to be for the first week of Christmas break, and it's going to be the second week of Christmas break. On the left side, I have an events list and a task list, and the calendar is going to be used to mark upcoming dates. I'm going to be honest with you guys, these spreads took a lot for them to grow on me. I was looking at these spreads, I cut out so many pauses because I was laughing at how ugly I thought these spreads were. But now looking back at it, they're decent. I've had worse spreads. So, yeah, I just had to tell you guys that. But, yeah, so for Accessible Stationery coming very soon, a lot of the end of the year bujo stuff, you guys know, this regular routine. Bullet journal flip through, 2021 setup, 2021 January setup. Then also I'm adding a couple of those. I'm adding a couple videos, like a basics 2021 setup. Then also my mother's 2021 and January setup. So that's really fun. I'm not going to plan on filming every month for my mom's bullet journal, because sometimes I like to keep it private, and also for her safety to keep it private as well. So now I'm adding stars using this gold pen, and I'm going to be practically done with the spread. I ended up adding a tree in the watercolor. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that I haven't done a voiceover in a long time. Anyways, so we're going to just move on. But coming in 2021, the year of 2021, I'm going to be doing a little rebrand for my shop. Hopefully, physical products are coming soon. I don't know. Hopefully, that's up to you guys. Do you guys want physical products? Are you guys okay with the digital products? That's a whole debacle right there. But right now I'm doing my watercolor border for this new style of weekly spread. I'm kind of incorporating it to the one I'm using right now. This is a rolling weekly Alistair plant-based brides use. So you have the event section, like a scheduler section on the left side of the spread, and then you have your running task lists on the right side of the spread. This is the setup I adopted from Amanda Rachley, and if you guys are a long-term viewer of SS Stationery, you would know Plain with Kate is the reason why SS Stationery is a thing. And I literally took her watercolor pattern for this entire video, but it's okay because I will credit her. I'll leave the video in the description box below. You guys should really go watch it if you guys want some Christmas vibes. But right now I'm just doing the border, and then on the inside I'm gonna have the days Monday through Sunday. Pretty simple, pretty jazzy. But yeah, on this left side is the task list. I'll leave Plant-Based Brad's YouTube video about the rolling weekly. I'm still very confused on it, so if you guys use the rolling weekly, can you, like, let me know. I'm kind of getting the hang of it, but what I'm doing now, I kind of like it a lot. So yeah, that's it for all these spreads. I just wrote in December, added some stars, and this is my very poor and awkward attempt of trying to show you how shiny this thing is. It's very shiny on camera, but yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And yeah, bye stationery fam.